Kanlong kasngi sa akan mau haka history ka Ri-lum Garo, bagatan kalayo mentaya ka Raj Bhavan ka baar ha Jylla. Kapalap lipat ba ne kasngi thodin, daulat ka Jylla Bhaku Chauhan, limba ka kor online. Kami Meghalaya ka don ya ka Raj Bhavan balatay na duk ka por jang ka sorkar bilad ha sor Shillong. Pada kani ka Raj Bhavan pathamai, ka Meghalaya ka don haka thop haringkat ki katu kat ni ki Jylla kari, ki badan palat ya ka wei ka Raj Bhavan. Kani ka Raj Bhavan pathamai ka don haka shnang danak gre jang ka sor tura. Balatay ya ka haka jinglut ka ba arpu saw klur tam, haka jaka ba he arpu pra point saw pusan eka. Ka Raj Bhavan hatura ka batmu bantay da ying ding ni Assam type, kadai ka balas dang pentray na du usnem ahajar khandai, haka jingmang pisa ka basan klur siteng, bat labut thong man pendep ya ka hapo ka laisnem. Ya ka main building jong kani ka ying ulat, lapan kala hadian siya ka RCC, bakan la ban kerda ya ujumay, bat latay ban rapru ya ka kamera ban nek kum ki banquet hall. Hindray haw ahajar khandriyo kalami ka jingpin kala ka balalam siya ka jingslem man pendep. Di haus nam ahaja arphuai, bau menteri rang ba ke Jylla wala pin ke imbiang ya ke projek hadu dala ban pendep ban pleno ya ka. Kikin rem kilindan ki belai don lang ban sakhi ya kani kasngi, kikin thup yo menteri rang ba ke Jylla Konrad ke sangma, lampang ka ying dorbar Thomas A sangma, MP ketura Agatha sangma, menteri ketanat PHE Marquis N Marak, ke kemi UCM nalor ki he ki han bat ki officer ke district.
Indeed, today is a very, very important and very historic moment where we have today inaugurated the Governor House here in Tura. And this has been a very long pending project and also of great expectation from the people of the state, especially from the Garo Hills region. And hence today is a great moment for all of us where we have been able to inaugurate the Governor House here in Tura, and it sends a very, very good and a positive message to the people of the state. And I'm happy that the Honorable Governor himself, Mr. Bhaku Chauhan ji, had inaugurated this Governor House. And I'm sure that now with this infrastructure being here, we will see the visit of the governor more often to Garo Hills, and also we will see that the governor will be able to spend more time here and connect with the people of this region of the state also. And hence it's a great development, and I once again thank the Honorable Governor, and would also like to thank the different departments that have played a very important role in completing this particular project.